Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nur Ahlam Badihah Binti Roslan and my metric number is 20254757 and 16. Today I will present about nouns. Here is the overview of my presentation. I will explain the definition of nouns, their classification, countable and uncountable nouns, the functions of nouns in sentences, noun formation, and I will end with some practices and my references. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, a person like Ahlam, a place like Malaysia, a thing like table, or an idea such as honesty. In sentences, nouns usually act as the subject or the object. For example, Ahlam reads a book. Next is the classification of nouns. There are 6 types. First, proper noun. Specific names like Malaysia or UITM. Common noun. General names like girl or city. Concrete nouns. Things we can sense, such as perfume or cat. Abstract nouns. Ideas or feelings like bravery and happiness. Collective nouns. Names of groups or example, team or family. Compound nouns. 2 or more words combined, such as toothpaste or mother-in-law. Countable versus uncountable nouns. Countable nouns can be counted one by one. They have singular and plural forms, like an apple, 2 apples, or a student, many students. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted individually and have no plural form. Examples are water, sugar, knowledge, and information. We cannot say informations or sugars. Instead, we use phrases like some information or piece of advice. Functions of nouns in sentences. Nouns have 4 main functions in sentences. First, as a subject. For example, students study linguistics. Second, as an object. She reads a book. Third, as a complement. He is a teacher. And lastly, a position. For example, my friend Sarah is here. The noun Sarah renames my friend. Now we move to noun formation. The first method is derivation, which means adding suffixes to form new nouns. Examples include happy becomes happiness, govern becomes government, and teach becomes teacher. Compounding, where 2 words are joined to form one noun. Examples are classroom, toothpaste, and mother-in-law. Compound nouns can be written as one word with a hyphen or as 2 words. Conversation happens when a word changes its class without adding anything. For example, to run becomes a run. To drink becomes a drink. The spelling stays the same, but its function changes to a noun. There are some exercises provided to test our understanding, including questions on definitions, type of nouns, countable and uncountable nouns, functions of nouns, and noun formations. There are the references that I use for this topic, including Grammarly, Merriam-Webster, and handout from SAC College. That is all from me. Thank you for listening to my presentation.